Okay, so right now, I can hear the Bugatti Chiron making a little stir like this. You know, it's like whenever it starts up, it's like that. But I don't know, it's like, it's really weird. It's like, bum, 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 bum. It won't start. Here's what it sounds like. It literally talks. It talks, seriously. That's weird, isn't it? It's like it's rickrolling us. I don't know, though. Who has suggestions for the engine? Here's a picture of it. Pretty nice startup sound. It sings us a song. It sings us a song from '87 called "Never Gonna Give You Up," but I don't know. I'm not rickrolling you, definitely. You see that beat in the background? It's like that's the engine stuttering. It's like it's not properly working. It's weird. Never mind, just a rickroll. Does anybody have any suggestions on why the engine's doing that? I don't know.